In this video, I'm going to be showing you the basics of Canva Video Editing. Now, if you watched one of my previous videos, previous videos, yes, I did a video and we're going to be using the same video in this tutorial. So I'm just going to click on create a video. I'm going to click here on video and I want to choose this particular one, 1920 by 1080, because that's what is used in standard video production. And I already have this video uploaded, so I'm just going to use it. I don't know, in your case, you may want to upload a new video. So this is the video I want to upload. I'm going to upload this here. And I want... Now, that's the sound of the video. That's the tone of the video. I'm going to drag this video to fill this entire canvas and make sure it fills the canvas. So one thing I want to do is, first of all, is to bring it back and play it so you hear what it's being said there. All right. So in order for us to go ahead and edit this video, the first thing we want to do is that we can cut and trim this video. If there's a certain portion of this video we don't want, we can remove it from here. So you can do it directly from here. You can just maybe cut 1 second because the video is 7.3 seconds. You can drag it to 6.3 seconds. So it's going to be, you've cut out 1 second from the end. But in this case, let's say if you want to cut 1 second from the beginning. So we're going to cut that to 6.3. So that's it now. But I want to restore that. So that's how you cut off a portion of your video. You can also split the video in another section. Maybe you want to add something in between two scenes. So let's play the video. Let me drag this back. Make sure I'm dragging it right to the beginning. And let's just say I bring this here, around here. And I'll play again and split it there. All right. Perhaps I want to split it here where she says my name is. I'm just going to split. I'll split that. And then perhaps I want to add another video here. Maybe something like this one. So I'll just click on that. And it's added here, but this is not where I want to add it. I want to add it somewhere. I'll just delete this first. I'll just drag this and add it in between there. So it's come to, it appears it's overlapped instead. I'll undo this. And then inside here, I want to add a page instead. I clicked on that plus. I'll just add this video here right now. So if I go ahead and play this. But you see, the problem is this. The problem is that we don't get that sound right now. We don't get that sound right now. So I'm just going to remove this. Perhaps what you wanted to do is we could split this into 3 sections. I'll delete this first. I'll delete this page and then maybe split it around here. I'll just say split again. And then what if instead of this, we want the same voiceover, but we don't want this particular footage that is being played on this middle scene? I'll just play. All right. So I'll click on this scene and I want to add this particular video. I want it to be the footage here. So I'm going to click on this. Now I need to find out how short the previous video was. So the previous video was, I'll delete this first, is 1.3 seconds. I'll just click on it. 1.3 seconds. So I'm going to bring this on top of here, but I'm going to split it to be 1.3 seconds. So I'm going to come here, come to this, and I'll make it 1.3. And I'm going to make it to cover this particular footage here. So if I now play it from here, let it load. All right, I'll play it now. All right, it plays. You know, there is some inconsistency because of internet latency. Now I'm going to undo all of this. I want it to be just one footage, the original footage. What if I want to edit how this footage looks? I'm going to click on the footage. On top of here, I'm going to click on edit. And I'm going to come to filters. It has auto filters. You see afterglow. When I click on this, it's going to change. You see it's a bit glowing. It has solar. So it appears like the sun is shining. So, and I can increase the intensity, and it shows like this is a really sunny day. If I click on none, you can see it's actually a dark day. Now there are other warmer filters. So these are a number of them. You see I have summer. If I click on summer, you see how it shows. And I can increase that. I'll remove that. And then vivid. If I click on there, you can see that's the filter. And if you increase it, you see this looks like a retro 1980s kind of setting. And there's also street or mono. I'll leave this the way it is. I want to come down to other aspects which we can also edit. I think we should go through a walkthrough of some of these. You see, like this, we have Rosie, which is quite good. You have drama. Yes, this is for drama. And then you have selfie, which is something of this sort. You have edge. So that's a good walkthrough of the various filters we can use. And we can just remove it from there. And then in terms of volume, we can increase the volume. We can reduce the volume. If I reduce the volume and I play this right now, you hear volume is down. So the volume is a lot lower than it was before. I'll restore it to 100%. You can extract the audio from here. So this is now the audio, which makes it a lot better. So if I'm now doing some, let's say, editing, I can reduce the length of this text, and instead I'll add another video, and you see the audio automatically expands. And then I can add another footage to here. And then if I shorten these two, it just aligns with the audio. So if I play this right now. If you don't know, my name is, so there you go. So that audio extraction is one of the most game-changing functionalities or features of Canva when it comes to video editing. I'll click here, come back here. And you can also increase the play speed. You see it plays faster. If I reduce. All right. So those are the basics of Canva video editing. I will do a full walkthrough where I'm going to show you all of this, adjust saturation, brightness, and all that. It's going to be almost more than 30 minutes. I'm going to do that in a few days. But for now, if you got any value out of this video, please like, subscribe, share, and please make sure that you post a comment. God bless you. Peace.